Hello, welcome everybody to first devlog of our series. Today I set up my Unreal, make a little map using add some trees, add some material to at least make it look like something, add the ocean, make a little place here to test things. I use black alder for the trees and I get these props from the Paragon props. I added my character some stats as well, add some sounds, add the ragdoll, that animation. And I guess that's it for the first day. I know it's not much, but it's something as a start. I am planning to make a game about a monster exterminator which kills goblins. It has to clean like 4 or 5 goblin islands. Game like a forest, but instead of those monsters there is only goblins and maybe other animals and things. I haven't decided all the details, but it's going to be something like that. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.